Opening a Lloyds Bank account is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys open a Lloyds Bank account. So as you guys can see, I'm at my browser and I'm going to search for open a bank account Lloyds. So I'm just going to search for that, and as you guys can see, this is the first page, which is open a current account online. I'm going to click on that link and it will take me to this page. Now here you have to, select any of the account that you want to create. So I'm just going to click on this classic one and I'm going to click on this ready to apply. And I have to click on this new customer. And as you guys can see, I am at the application for a new classic account. So I'm just going to, scroll down until I see this option, which is ready to open a classic account. I'm going to click on this continue. And now, as you guys can see, I'm in the PCA onboarding, which means the process of my account creation has begun. So I need to, start filling out the information. So I'm just going to click on no, and I'm going to click on this no, and they will want me to keep on adding the information that is necessary in my account. So you just need to fill out all the information that is necessary, and your account should be ready at the end. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can open a Lloyds Bank account. Hope you guys find this video helpful.